Hello, virtual fifth graders. The day has come. We are going to embark on our stop motion journey. I'm your STEAM teacher and host with a mustache, Mr. Barry, and I want to get you set up to log in for the very first time. So there is a PDF attached to this Schoology assignment that has all of your username and password needs. However, Cloud Stop Motion is a bit tricky the first go around here. So your organization or school name, you are going to type in North Street Elementary School. Here we go. North Street Elementary. And if it pops up, click on it, great. If it does not, just finish spelling it out. And then your username might be your first and last name. However, it might not be your whole last name. So make sure you're paying attention to what your login card says and follow that. For this tutorial, I decided to go by the name of Mr. Steam. And my password is Steam101 to sign in. Everything needs to be identical, again, to what your login card says. Even if you have an extra space or something is not capitalized, it will not work. So please double check your spelling. I'm going to go ahead and click sign in to get started. And here we have our Cloud Stop Motion dashboard. So you made a storyboard for the previous assignment, and our goal here is to create a very short film. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to click on New Project, and it's going to ask if it is okay to have access to your camera, and you are going to allow it. So please click OK. All right, perfect. So the goal here, again, is to make your stop motion film based off of your storyboard that you used in the previous activity. So here is our dashboard, and here is your same feature. So our red capture frame bit over here will take pictures, and remember, stop motion films, this is set up for 12 frames per second. So if you're taking 12 pictures, that means your film's going to be 12 seconds long. And then along our dashboard over here, we have our taking picture menu. We have our sound menu, and then we have our text menu. So to start off with the basics, your best bet after you allow the camera, and you can see yourself, is to get whatever object. I know I said Play-Doh or modeling clay. You might not have that around, so please use pencils, paper, all right? Anything that you can possibly gather around, maybe even Lego pieces, right, to follow your storyboard. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually tilt my screen so it'll actually be on my, they'll be focused on my table. And then I'm also going to move my mouse cursor so that stays on capture frame. So here, I'm going to have a ball. Place it right on the table. And I'm going to carefully have my hand go onto the side of the laptop so that I can take a frame, a picture, without my hand being visible. And then I'm going to move the ball just a little bit here. Notice how it's transparent. That way you know what your stop motion film looks like frame from frame. So as I'm taking pictures, you can see that I'm up to 6 and 7 frames now. So this film is still less than 1 second long. Alright, so I'll take a couple more here. I might, instead of just rolling it, I might actually now flatten the ball. And again, you might not be doing this. You might be making a movie about a flower growing or a snail or a Fortnite dance. Whatever your storyboard, whatever your organizational ideas are. I feel like I'm Bob Ross right now. So I'm just going to roll this out a little bit more so you kind of get the effect. All right, perfect. So now we'll go ahead and play that real quick. All right. if you want to add maybe a introduction title screen, we're going to go to text and add a title. So we'll name this Ball That Keeps on Rolling Until It Turns into a Snake and Other Stuff. ... And here we can change what the font is. We can change the background color. All sorts of exciting things. I'm going to go back to the camera slot. And then maybe we want to add a sound. So if you want to record a sound, click on the microphone and you can record whatever sound you want. Or maybe you want to choose from the sound library. So you might want a cow and bell. That is what your video needs. Click on the check mark and you're going to drag it below to where you want that sound to play. To delete frames, just in case maybe you want to get rid of it, maybe your hand's in the way like mine is, you're just going to go ahead and click on the trash icon. If it doesn't appear, just make sure you're on the capture frame tab, and again, delete current frame. This Cloud.motion is a great tool. It will save everything automatically. And yeah, if you have any questions, please make sure you place a comment below this activity and I will get right back to you. But please have fun, explore, and I can't wait to see what type of films you make based on your storyboards. Enjoy.